Good afternoon, everyone. Is my voice audible to you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupam and this one. Debopriya, are you there? Rupam and Debopriya? Rupam and Debopriya, are you there? Rimpi, are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Debopriya, I have talked about your issue with the HOD sir. So
Yes, ma'am.
we have decided to approach to the controller of examination. Okay, let's see what happens then.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, and Rimpi also, I think so. There is some issues related to your thing also. So we have approached. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Huh? Second session of marks lage roba last class nasila niki tumi kyo nasila acha roba ek minute Rahul 28 paisa. So last class we were discussing about the question paper. So we are left with few questions. Let us complete it and then we'll move to the leadership theory. Okay. Okay, so the question for you is which of the following is a need that motivates human behavior as per the achievement motivation theory? I'm again repeating the question. Which of the following is a need that motivates human behavior as per the achievement motivation theory? Okay, options are power, second option is affiliation, third option is achievement, and fourth is all of the above. What is the correct answer?
All of the above?
Yeah, all of the above is the correct answer. Next question. Taking away a person's car after they have been caught speeding would be an example of positive punishment, negative punishment, positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement. I'm again repeating the question. Taking away a person's car after they have been caught speeding would be an example of positive punishment, negative punishment, positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement. Yes? What is the answer? I cannot hear. Your voices are breaking.
Ma'am, negative punishment.
Yeah, negative punishment is the correct answer. Next question. Positive punishment dash behavior and negative punishment dash behavior. Options: strengthens. Next option is all when I'll tell you the full sentence again, okay? Positive punishment strengthens behavior and negative function strengthens behavior, or positive punishment weakens behavior and negative punishment also weakens behavior, or positive punishment strengthens behavior and negative punishment weakens behavior. Last option, positive punishment weakens behavior and negative punishment strengthens behavior. What is the correct answer?
Ma'am, both weekends.
Yeah. Everyone agrees to it?
Yes, ma'am. Wickets.
Okay. This question came for how many marks?
Ma'am, I guess it's for 2 marks, I guess.
Okay. So I'll do one thing. এইটো অপশনটো গুগল ফৰ্মত ভুলকৈ মাৰ্ক কৰা হৈছিলে হা so what I'll do is whatever is your score you will be added 2 marks more with that. Persons who were getting 28 will be getting 30, persons who got 19 who will be getting 21, okay? Because this is my mistake as I have marked the option wrongly in your Google form. So since I have marked the option wrongly, so it has been taken as a wrong answer. If someone has even written weekends, it was marked wrong, okay? So since this is a mistake, so you will get additional 2 marks. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, a researcher trains a dog to salivate to the sound of a bell, then he turns the lights on just before he sounds the bell. If he continues to do this until the dog starts to salivate as soon as the lights go on, he has demonstrated. Option 1 is latent learning, option 2 insight, option C second order conditioning, option D extinction.
Option C.
Yeah, it was about conditioning learning, no? Yeah, so the correct option is second order conditioning. The last question is, in classical conditioning, UR and CR, unconditioned response and conditioned response, are option 1 is opposite behavior, option B same behavior, option C result of extinction, option D same stimulus. Yeah, option B is the correct answer, that is same behavior, okay? So with this we come to the end of all the questions. Did you find the question paper tough? Or it was easy? No, মই এইটো পইণ্টৰ পৰা সোধা নাই যে you people are finding the answers in internet. If you are unable to access the internet, from that point of view you tell me whether the question paper was easy or tough. Like questions were given from the net or from any other source, but I have tried to give questions which was based on conception. If your conception was clear, you could have answered it yourself. If it is not clear, then you would have not answered. So by this question paper, what I want to know is, whatever has been taught till now, are all the concepts clear? It is not about grades and marks. OB is something which you will be requiring in your future also, okay? Even for the healthcare students, if you go for Viva, you will be facing questions from OB, okay? So I want to know, like, whether the question paper was easy, whether it was like from the area where, you know, the concept of which is clear to everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. It was from the concept.
Yes, ma'am.
বুজি পাইছা ন? Whatever was given was
Yes, ma'am,
yeah, from the explanation given.
Concept-based.
Okay. So fine, then let us move to the path goal theory. Did you all go through the theory once? I know I have given the file a bit late, but still I am asking you, have you all, just managed somehow to go through it? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I am unable.
এবাৰ গৈছিলো
এবাৰ গৈছিলা, okay. So path goal theory of leadership, it as we all know, leaders are someone, a figure who is supposed to always guide the workers to choose the path through which they need to move on, so that they are able to achieve the corporation's goal or the organizational's goal, right? So here this theory basically states that the leaders will have to engage in different types of leadership behavior depending on the nature and demands of the situation at hand. So in the last class, as I have told you, leaders style was one was autocratic style, the other was what? Participative style, isn't it? So at that point of time only we have discussed that depending on the situation, it will be the leader's decision to adopt the style that is required. Okay, if he feels that his participative style is somehow creating laziness in the employee's mind, or they are having the mindset that even if they do not work, the leader is not going to push them to work, then definitely he will have to change the style so that he can mend up the employees to work, right? If he finds that his participative style is encouraging the employees to work in a better way, definitely he'll have to stick to his style. In the case of authoritarian style, we have seen that the leaders were the boss and they used to give the orders. Whatever decision is taken, his decision is totally his, and others' opinions were not taken into account, right? So he was using that type of leadership style when he was successful in forcing the employees to work by giving orders. But if he finds that giving orders is somehow hampering the morale of the employees feel that they are dominated, they are not given importance in their organization, then that will be again turning into an adverse effect, as we have seen, right? So here the main motive of this theory is to guide the employees to go in a path which will help them to achieve the goal. That is why it is known as path goal theory. So depending on the nature and demands of the situation, the leader will decide which style he will be adopting, so that the employees are moving in the path that they need to move, so that the goal of the organization can be achieved. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is the leader's job to assist followers in attaining goals and to provide direction, support, whatever is needed to ensure that their goals are compatible with the organizational goal. Path goal theory assumes that leaders are flexible and that they can change their style as situation require. So it is not imposed up to the leaders what type of style they need to follow by the organization, but that will be determined by the situation that is prevailing in the organization, which style the leader is going to follow. That is all about path goal theory. Clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us move
Yes,
to the next theory, that is the situational theory. Okay. Now what is the situational theory? Here it suggests that no single leadership style is best. Instead, it depends on which type of leadership and strategies are best suited to the task. So according to this theory, the most effective leaders are those that are able to adapt their style to the situation and look at cues such as the type of task, the nature of group, other factors that might contribute to getting the job done. Here also in path goal theory, they were basically focusing on the type of style which they need to acquire so that they move in a right path to achieve the goal. In situation theory, it is seeing that depending on the situation, the type of style will be adopted. Same thing, but here they are not trying to make the employees move in a path, but what they are trying to do is anyhow the employees will have to work for achieving the goal. whatever path they are going to follow, but they will have to work and move in that path to achieve the goal. Okay, so depending on the situation, they will be adapting the styles. Understanding? You can say that these all type of leaderships are somehow related to each other, because we have seen from the very beginning that it is the employees who are the who are totally responsible for what type of leadership has to be adopted by the leaders in each and every organization. Understanding? It is the outcome. You can say it is the outcome that is deciding what type of leadership style has to be followed. Now, according to Hershey and Blanchard, he has suggested that there are 4 primary leadership styles. Okay, there are 4 primary leadership styles. The first style is the telling style. Now, what is this telling style? In this leadership style, the leader will tell the people what to do and how to do. As I have told you, in path goal theory, we were focusing into 2 types of leadership. One was participative, other was authoritarian. But in situational style, the leadership style has been classified into 4 subclasses. Okay, so here, depending on the situation, the type of leader will be deciding which style to adopt. First is the telling style. In the telling style, the leader will tell the people what to do and how they are required to do it. Understanding? In style 2, it will involve more back and forth between leaders and followers. Like, leaders will be the one who will sell their ideas, who will send their message to get group members to buy into the process. Here, in this type of leadership, what is involved back and forth means leaders will be selling their ideas, and it will be expected that the followers or the employees will be accepting those ideas. Understanding? Yes or no? Bujisan na?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
In participating style, now there is one participating style where we will be seeing participating mane ki leader here, they will offer less direction and allow members to be more active, right? Like, they will be allowed to come up with their own opinions, decisions and ideas, and those decisions, ideas will be taken into counted. ठीक है sir? Sign number 2 is a delegating. Here the style is characterized by a less involved hands-off approach to leadership. ইয়াতে কি হ'ব, গ্ৰুপ মেম্বাৰ্ছ উইল বি দ্য ওৱান হু উইল বি টেণ্ডিং টু মেক মষ্ট ডিচিশ্যনছ. মানে ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি বা অথৰিটিটো টিম মেম্বাৰ্ছ বা এমপ্লয়িজবিলাকক দি দিব. তাহাঁতে যিটো ডিচিশ্যন লয়, দ্য লিডাৰ উইল বি একচেপ্টিং দ্যাট অনলি. বুজি পাইছা? Leader will be the one who will be deciding whether the decision has to be accepted or not, but the leader to at most stage, he is always ready to accept the decision which is given by the group members. ইয়াতে তাৰ ইনভলভমেণ্টটো খুব কম থাকিব. বুজি পাইছানে? তাৰমানে ডিপেণ্ডিং অন দ্য চিটুৱেশ্যন, এই 4টা ষ্টাইলৰ ভিতৰত কোনোবা এটা ষ্টাইল এডপ্ট কৰাটোকে চিটুৱেশ্যনেল থিয়ৰিত বুজাইছে. আণ্ডাৰষ্টুড? Out of these 4 styles, any of the style that will be adopted by the leaders is what is described in the situational theory of leadership. Clear everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so now we are left with charismatic leaders, transformational leaders. These are type of leaders. Now, can you tell me from the name what charismatic leader can actually mean? Yes? Before moving into that, let me decide now one more important thing, that is the maturity level. The maturity level of the employees will be deciding the style the leaders are going to adopt. Okay, now the maturity levels again has been classified into 4 different levels. This maturity level, we are talking about the employees. Depending on the maturity level of the employees, the style will be adopted. That is the 4 styles that I have told you in case of situational theory. Okay, now the right style of leadership, it depends greatly on the maturity level, that is level of knowledge and competence of the individuals or as a group. Okay, now Hershey and Blanchard theory here identifies 4 different levels of maturity, where in first maturity, okay, M1, Group members, they lack the knowledge, skills and willingness to complete the task. Here the employees who are forming a group, they are lacking knowledge, they do not have proper skills, and even they are less willing to complete the task whatever has been assigned to them. Okay, now for low maturity, level of employees, what type of leadership style can be adopted? Can anyone tell me? As we have discussed 4 styles, right? From telling to selling, then participating and delegating. All of you have understood all these 4 styles? Yes? Yes or no? বুজি পাইছা নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
তো তেনেহলে মোক কোৱা, যদি মেচুৰিটি লেভেল কোৱা।
I'm telling.
Yeah, telling will be the style of the leadership that will be adopted when they find group members or employees falling under M1 category, that is maturity 1 level. Okay, next maturity level is group members are willing and enthusiastic but lack the capability. তাহাঁতৰ capability নাথাকে কিন্তু তাহাঁতৰ knowledge, willingness আৰু they are enthusiastic to work, enthusiasm আছে, they are willing also to work, but তাহাঁতৰ ability অকমান lacking in ability. বুজি পাইছা? তাহাঁতৰ মানে idea formationত অলপ problem হয় বা কিবা decision লোৱাত অলপ problem হয়. For this type of maturity level employee, which leadership style will be perfect? This is the medium maturity. Okay, M1 is the low maturity. Now M2 that we are talking about is the medium maturity. Which type of leadership style will be adopted? Rupam, Roba. Roba. Abhijit? If you do not respond now, no, I'll mark you all absent today.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhijit, কোৱাচোন কোনটো leadership style ইয়াতে হ'ব? When you are seeing that the group members are willing and enthusiastic, but what they are lacking is only they are lacking the ability. Tetya kuntu type of leadership style adopt hobo depending on the situation?
And situational leadership.
Situational leadership, situational theory ভিতৰতে আমি পঢ়ি আছো, তাতে তাহাঁতি ডিভাইড কৰিছে style of leadership 4টা হয়নে, আৰু maturity level 4টা। আমি কৈছো যে maturity levelটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি leadership ষ্টাইলটো তাহাঁতি এডপ্ট কৰিব লাগিব। ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰূপমে কৈ দিলে যেতিয়া maturity level low থাকে তাহাঁতি telling leadership approach কৰিব। telling leadershipটোত কি আছিলে, তাহাঁতি জনাব how to work, what to do। বুজি পাইছা? এতিয়া মই কৈছো যে এতিয়া মিডিয়াম মেচুৰিটিখিনি কথা পাতি আছো। গ্ৰুপ মেম্বাৰ্ছে ইয়াতে কাম কৰিব বিচাৰিছে, তাহাঁতি এক্সাইটেড হয় জবটো লৈ, কিন্তু তাহাঁতি লেকিং এবিলিটি ইন দ্য চেন্স তাহাঁতৰ আইডিয়া জেনেৰেট কৰা বা মানে নতুন মানে নিজে ডিচিশ্যন লোৱাৰ কেপাচিটিটো নাই, তেতিয়া তাহাঁতি কোনটো লিডাৰশ্বিপ ষ্টাইল এডপ্ট কৰিব লাগিব লিডাৰ্ছে? Yes, anyone else? You are understanding my question, I guess? Dipanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
কোনটো কৰিব? হেমন্ত কোনটো কৰিব? জয়দীপ?
মেম সেলিং টাইপটো কৰিব নেকি?
কিয় কৰিব? সেলিঙে কৰিব, কিন্তু কিয় কৰিব? সেলিং টাইপটোৱে কি বুজাইছিলে?
মেম লিডাৰ্ছবোৰে নিজৰ আইডিয়াটো মানে ফলোৱাৰবোৰক
that is the correct answer. That here in selling type of leadership, what the leaders do, they used to sell their ideas. মই বাৰে বাৰে কৈ আছোঁ যে মেচুৰিটি লেভেল যেতিয়া মিডিয়াম হয় তাহাঁতৰ আইডিয়া বিল্ডিং কেপাচিটি নাথাকে, তো ডেফিনেটলি কোনটো লিডাৰশ্বিপ ষ্টাইল এডপ্ট কৰিব যোনটোত আইডিয়াবোৰ দি আছে ন লিডাৰ্ছে। চ' ডেফিনেটলি দ্যাট উইল বি হোৱাট, চেলিং টাইপ অফ লিডাৰশ্বিপ ৱেৰ লিডাৰ্ছ আৰ গিভিং দেয়াৰ আইডিয়াজ and using those ideas employees can work. Understood everyone? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
The next maturity level is, we will be talking about medium maturity, that is also medium maturity, which is M3. Here the group members have the skills, they have the capacity to complete the task but are unwilling to take responsibility. ইয়াতে কি হৈছে তাহাঁতৰ কেপাচিটিও আছে স্কিলো আছে কিন্তু তাহাঁতৰ এলাহ তোমালোকৰ নিচিনা কাম কৰিব ইচ্ছা নাই এতিয়া কি কৰিব তোমালোকৰ নিচিনা হলে লিডাৰৰ ষ্টাইলটো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব লাগিব হা কোৱা
Ma'am, participating.
পাৰ্টিচিপেটিঙত আমি কি দেখিছিলোঁ what was the participating style
Less involvement.
huh
And leader work less and the member works more, I guess.
Leader work less, member work more. Here, since you are having the skill and capability, leader will be there to, you know, like give a small push into tomar capability aru skills ase. You have the capability, you have the skills, you can work. But since you are unwilling to take the responsibility, the leader will always try to make you, you know, create the mindset to take up the responsibility, to make you participating. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I am using my full energy to make you people understand. So you can use your less energy to, you know, respond with a yes or no. Okay? The next maturity level is the high maturity level, which is M4. Here, the group members are highly skilled and willing to complete the task. What type of leadership is left?
Delegating.
Yeah, delegating. Why it is delegating? Can anyone tell me? Delegating or ki hoisile? Leaders are the one who are least involved. What they are trying to do, they are trying to give the responsibility, authority to the members to work. And you, a leader can do that only when the employees have the capacity to be, to, you know, complete the task. Willingness to থাকিব লাগিব, skills to থাকিব লাগিব, knowledge to থাকিব লাগিব. আৰু সেইখিনি থাকিব কাৰ তাত যোন highly matured হয়. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So situational theory is the one which is giving greater consideration to the complexity of dynamic social situations and the individuals acting in different roles. So in situational theory, situations may be different based on the maturity levels of the employees, and based on the maturity levels of the employees, the leadership style will differ. Now is the situational theory clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So now I was asking about charismatic leaders. Can anyone tell me what is who can be termed as a charismatic leader? Any idea?
What was the spelling? CHARS.
Google sabani. Huh? Rupam?
I'm confused with like the terms actually.
Charismatic. CHARISMATIC.
I think the leader has some like extra spark, like he can motivate people.
Extra spark. Okay.
Maybe he or she, you know, influence others with charm and all. Maybe, ma'am, I don't know.
Charm. Okay. You people are trying, that is only enough for me. Rest. Madhurya asa ne najano ase Madhurya asa
Oh, ma'am.
কোৱাচোন শুই আছা
নাই মেম
কোৱাচোন কি হয় charismatic leader
মেম সেইটোৱে যোনে কাবাক ইনফ্লুৱেঞ্চ কৰিব পাৰে বা যাৰ ফলোৱাৰ্ছ বেছি
okay Jyoti Sharma
Yes, ma'am.
কওকচোন কি হয় charismatic leader
Today, like influence kore
okay
by their like communications charms.
by their charmness and communication skill they have the capacity to influence right okay Anyone else wants to come up with anything else rather than what these people have said?
Ma'am, from this cherished word, ma'am, we know that while playing this football and all, there are like some kind of cheerleader right there, ma'am. So they cherry, like they give motivation level, like kind of motivation to like for those playing match. And so I believe, ma'am, this way, sir, ma'am, this support the leaders.
Yeah, no problem. You tried. Okay. So can anyone tell me, as everyone has told that charismatic leader is a one who uses their communication skills or their persuasiveness to influence others, right? Given their ability to connect the people with, on a deep level, they are, really valuable within an organization. Who are characteristics are, believed to be there in a charismatic leader are what? One, you have told that he will be having good communication skills so that he can connect with the people, right? For influencing the people, you will have to connect with the people. So for connecting, communication is very important. Without communication, which is not possible. So he will have to be a strong communicator, right? When a person is having the capacity to influence others, he will have to be confident. So strong communicator is one of the characteristic of charismatic leadership. Confident is another characteristic which is there in a charismatic leader. Next is, you are influencing others means what? Others are getting motivated by your talks, right? By your acts. So that means what? You are having the characteristic of, you are acting as a motivator. You are a motivator, therefore you are able to influence others. Okay? And optimistic. Understanding what I am trying to tell? Yes or no?
Yes.
So charismatic leaders are the one who, have positive influence on an organization and the people that they are leading. Okay? So now there are some pros and cons of charismatic leadership. What are the pros? Since we have seen that they are having the ability to influence others in a positive way, I am saying, so you can say that they are highly inspirational and motivating. That is one of the advantage. Okay? Then they makes followers feel heard and understood. Since you are, having proper communication skills, so you are able to connect with the people. So your employees, okay, will have the feeling that their feelings, emotions, or their issues are heard and understood by you. Understanding? And it is also a movement towards positive change. Since I told you optimistic is one of a characteristic, that means you are adopting this type of leadership style and you are creating a movement towards the positive change. So these are some of the advantages of charismatic leaders. Understood? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now your assignment is write down. If you want to write it down, you can write, or else you can tell me also. I want you to find out the disadvantage of charismatic leadership. Okay? You need to be ready with charismatic leaders' disadvantages. With that, I will also want to give you an assignment to find out what is the serve model of leadership suggesting. Okay? So 2 assignments, 2 topics I'm giving you. One is to find the demerits of charismatic leaders, and another is the serve model of leadership. SERVE, serve model of leadership. These 2 are assignments for you people. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So with this, I think so we can stop today.
ক'তো দিব
In the
লাগিব না?
future,
কি কৈছা?
মেম গ্ৰুপত আপুনি এটা দিছে ন ফাইল, সেইখনতো দিব লাগিব মেম।
কেছ ষ্টাডি এটা দিছিলোঁ।
য়েছ মেম।
কেছ ষ্টাডি আৰু এই 2টা এছাইনমেণ্ট। এই 2টা এছাইনমেণ্ট আই ৱান্টেড charismatic leader demerits to মোক কাইলৈ ভিতৰত লাগিব, আৰু serve model of leadership মোক next week দিলেও হ'ব। ঠিক আছে? And regarding the case,
এইটো দিলে হৈ যাব নেকি?
regarding the case study, I think so I have asked you to submit it on Saturday, that is tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow case study to submit koriba aru ei charismatic leaders to tomaloke likhi ready kori rakhiba. I do not want you people to submit me. What I want is I want to discuss with you people, so that I'm asking you to find it out. I will randomly call out people tomorrow. It is not that only 2-3 students will always be there to respond and do the assignment and others will get the marks free. I'll not accept that. Okay, that is not acceptable. So everyone will have to complete the assignment, even though you do not need to submit, but you will have to tell me when I ask you randomly. Okay, and regarding the SERV model of leadership also, if you want to write it down, yeah, it's better you write it down. SERV model of leadership, you can submit me in the next class. Tomorrow I think so we will be discussing about transformational leaders and Peter Drucker's approach to leadership. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, then quickly respond to your roll calls. Abhijit.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Saturday, I guess. Like, tomorrow is no class.
Tomorrow kaile ki Saturday, no? Kaile 4th Saturday hai? Kaile 4th Saturday নহয় জানো?
And third Saturday.
Hi, ma'am. Can you Saturday class?
কোনে নলয়? Saturday কোনে ক্লাস
Ma'am, only
নলয়?
first.
Only first and third Saturday is holiday. Rest Saturdays are open.
Yes. Yes.
Tomorrow is open. Choti? কি হইছে?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
তোমালোকেতো ইনফেক্ট এতিয়া ক'ব লাগে যে মেম ক্লাছ লৈয়ে থাকক অকল এটা সপ্তাহ বাকী আছে ক্লাছ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে তাৰপিছতচোন নাইয়ে আৰু আফটাৰ ডেট someday too you will be missing the classes, right? Quickly respond to your roll calls. Abhijit, Amina,
Yes, ma'am.
Arya,
Yes, ma'am.
Vicky,
Yes, ma'am.
Debopriya, Deepjyoti,
Yes, ma'am.
Deepanjali,
Present.
Gangadhar, Geet Kumar.
Ma'am.
দীপজ্যোতি তুমি বিদ্যুৎ ছাৰৰ লগত কথা পাতি পিনে মোক জনাবা হা কি কয় ছাৰে
Geet Kumar present, ma'am.
অ'কে দীপজ্যোতি কথা পাতিছিলা ছাৰৰ লগত আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে মই তোমাৰ লগত কথা পাতি আছোঁ ৰ'বা হেমন্ত জয়দীপ জ্যোতি
Present, ma'am.
কৰবী
Yes.
মাধুৰ্য মইফাম মমিতা নাজ
Yes,
Present, ma'am.
নৱজিৎ
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
নাইম
Present, ma'am.
নৱাজ সাইলো নিবেদিতা সাইলো I think so I have seen you for the first class today Partho Pranab
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka
Present, ma'am.
Rahul Rimpi
Present, ma'am.
Rupam
Yes, ma'am.
Sakyajit
Yes, ma'am.
Shantanu Sunena Suraj
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Satyajit.
okay ঠিক আছে দিয়া you can leave the class now thank you